Hi everyone, this is the 10th episode of the Digital Marketing 101 series, and it's about the 12 on-page SEO techniques. I'm presenting each of these techniques as individual videos, and this is the 7th of the 12 techniques about XML Sitemap, what it is, and how to write a powerful and effective XML sitemap. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updates whenever I upload a new video. A sitemap is the architecture of an entire website. It tells Google and other search engines what pages and posts are in a website and how they are categorized. XML sitemap is the most common type of sitemaps. It shows links to different pages on your website, and search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing use your sitemap to find all these different pages on your site. This is one of the main reasons why XML sitemap is important for SEO. If you use WordPress, you can get a sitemap made for you with the plugins like Yoast or All-in-One SEO. One of the benefits of using a plugin like this is that it updates your sitemap automatically. This is also known as a dynamic sitemap. Whenever you add a new page to your site, whether it be a blog post or product or a page, a link to that page will be automatically added to your sitemap file. You can then use that XML sitemap and submit it to Google Search. Submission of XML sitemap to Google Search informs Google that your site exists and makes it easier for Google to index your website and pages. This will help in indexing for your website, and as a result, helps in ranking of your website and web pages. The submission of XML sitemap should also be done for other search engines such as Yahoo and Bing. After you have submitted the sitemap and the search engines have crawled your site, you can get reports about your website. With these reports, you can see if there are any errors on your website, and if there are, you need to fix them. For example, you can see how many of your pages have been indexed and how many have not. Look at those that were not, see what were the issues, why were they not indexed, and try to solve it so that these pages get indexed too. Having your pages indexed is important because this will enable your pages to get ranked. Do you have any questions about XML sitemap? Let me know in the comments below. In my next video, I will share more about another on-page SEO technique, and that is duplicate content. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.